Okay, so once again, another trading trick or tip, otherwise known as Gino's Gems. I've got an interesting one here, a real easy, quick one. Most people don't need it, but for those that do, this is very cool. So in TOS, there's a decision sometimes where people have to make a decision where, should I stick with a cash account or a margin account? And a lot of people, a vast majority of big traders I've met, they start managing their IRA, 401k, retirement account, which means it is a cash account. You can see I have one up here that I'm following. It says IRA, which means you're not borrowing any money from the broker. You're basically just using your money. And you're limited to certain strategies. Like you can't short, you can't sell options naked. There's certain option strategies you can't do in a cash account. It's kind of limited to your high leverage strategies and your credit spreads too. So basically, they also give you in a margin account buying power. So you get stock pretty much half off. $100 stock costs $50. But you really don't need that. You don't need that if you have a big account. And a lot of people, when they start investing, they move their IRA over to a broker and they self-manage their retirement account. Great thing to do, right? Take control of your money. But here's one of the issues you come up with. You go, you know what? Someday or when I soon retire, do I always want to be in a cash account? Or you might find yourself in this situation. My buying power is down to $2,600. I have a $110,000 account and my buying power is getting pretty low, which means not much I can do. I'm pretty much stuck here. I can't add any more positions. I really need to close it because when this gets to zero, your stock buying power and option buying power, which is the same in a cash account, IRA account, 401k, guess what? You're done. You can't do anything else. You're fully invested. So what you can do is you can put your account transferred over in a paper money and kind of mirror it. And there's ways to do that, or just quickly type it in. You can simply come over and go, well, what if and here comes the gem right here. What if I turned this into a margin account? And real quickly before I do that, on the right over here, here's the margin holding, 60,000. And then you got some stock holdings. Net, there's only $2,600 left as cash. But what if I moved this over from an IRA to a margin? So I'm going to pick margin first. Watch what happens to 60,000. Watch what happens to stock buying power. Is it worth it? Let me see. Oh, now I have 140,000, not 2,600, 139,000 to be exact, stock buying power and 70,000 option buying power. That means I could pretty much come over here and my margin dropped down. I could pretty much double my position size here, which means, again, I could double the amount of trading, double the amount of covered calls, cash flow. Is it worth it? Think about it. What is your returns? How good of a trader are you? Do you want more money to trade with? Are you satisfied where you're at? So you start going, wait a minute, this is a big difference. This is like a whole nother account here. And it kind of motivates you to start learning how to trade more. And then you say, well, wait a minute, what if I go to the next level and I go to portfolio margin? Is that even worth it? Okay, that only gives me 99,000, but it lowers my margin to 22,000 down here. So it actually frees up margin on options, not so much stock. So you can kind of balance that out. And honestly, unless you know how to do portfolio margin, just stick with margin. Just stick with margin. But that is a huge difference. Do I want to have buying power of 140,000 or do I want to have buying power of 2,600? Decide on your situation, talk to one of our coaches, but this is a great tool to decide if you want to go to that next level. Because honestly, somebody hands me 100,000 extra to trade with, all of a sudden a whole world of trades I know opens up. It makes my future as a financial planner, it makes my future, my personal financial planning goals completely change. A whole new window opens up and you go, wait a minute, I might need to get some coaching or have a new blueprint on my account. So if you're thinking about retirement anytime soon and you're thinking about trading as a part-time business or full-time business, you need to hit that button right there. So that's only in Thinkorswim that I know of. Guys, this is another trading gem. Add it to your pile. See you next time. Coach Gino, Tackle Trading.